All right, me and Cameron just got out today. Had a fantastic day on the water. We caught a ton of brook trout and some cutthroat and saw some really great fish today. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Here it is. Oh, there's a lot. Oh my gosh, there's so many trout up there, Cameron. Come here. Look on the bottom. Look how you see all those lines? They're all fish.
Yo.
They're all fish.
Dude, nymph.
You see all of them?
Heck yeah.
That's like 100 trout. You see all of them?
Think they'll eat a nymph?
Look at it, dude. Look at all of them. Oh my gosh, there's so many trout. Yes.
What kind of nymph are you
A midge. They're a midge, dude.
like a zebra midge?
Yeah. We just slid up on this one hole right here, and there's like, I don't know, probably like 100 trout sitting like right on the bottom. So we're gonna try our best to not spook them and catch as many as we can, but we could catch a lot of trout right here. So got one. What is it? Brook trout. Brook trout. Got a brook trout. All right, guys. Here's this beautiful brook trout. Look at him. Sick. We're gonna get him back and see if we can get a few more. Got one. No, don't go over there. Snagged it. Definitely snagged it. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oh, wait. Yes, I did. Nope. Nope. Here's this fish, guys. I don't know if it actually went for my fly or not, but pretty brook trout. Dude, my butt is getting freaking soaked right now. I have no other better way to fish this hole, though. There we go. Nice one. Nice one. That's a nice fish. That's a cutthroat. Let's go. Let's go. All right, here's this beautiful cutthroat, guys. He's not really cooperating, but I'll try my best to show him to you. He stops moving. He's really skinny, so it's hard to get a grip on him. There he is right there. And he's off. There he goes. Guys, Cameron just got one. We doubled up. Bring him over. Let's go. 2 of them in the net. Guys, we got 2 brook trout in the net. We got mine and Cameron's. Here's mine. Pretty brook trout right there. I'm gonna let him go. See ya. Okay. Here's Cameron's fish right here. Cameron caught a pretty one. Good orange on that guy. Beautiful fish. What a great hole we're fishing right now. There he goes. Catch a bigger one now. Yeah, there's like 20 sitting right here in the current. There we go. There's one. Little guy. Oof.
Pictured fish genie sends trout to flight school.
All right, here's this little brook trout. Just a tiny guy. Send him back. There's plenty more to be caught. Oh. That's a nice hole right there. So we're definitely gonna catch him out of this hole. It'd probably help if I could see. I can't really see my my line when I drop it in. There we go. What is that, brook trout? I think so. Oh, a rainbow. Look at that, something new. Like, cool shot. I feel stupid, that's a cutthroat. The fishing's been really good so far. We don't have a ton of time to fish, but we found some like really nice stuff, like great stuff. So we're gonna keep trying to catch a few more, and so far so good. All right, I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna make a cast.
Do it, fool.
You won't.
That ass, you won't. No balls. You won't.
There we go.
Oh my goodness!
Cameron. There's a fish. Another little brook trout. Whew, so fun. There's another one. Next cast, bro. Next cast. Another little brook trout. Very next drift. Oh, did you see that hit? Gosh, oh! Oh, there's a nice one. There's a nice one. Oh, look at that big one. He just went under the undercut. Did you see him?
No.
Did you see him? There's like a 16-inch brook trout, dude. Holy cow. I want to catch this really big one though. He's right on the edge of the undercut. All right, we'll go down. All right, hope you all enjoyed the video. Definitely going to be coming back here as soon as I can. Hopefully on a day where it isn't as bright out, because with the sun out today, it made it a little bit difficult to try to get up on those fish. But if the sun wasn't out, then it's going to be lights out here. There's just so many fish up in this creek. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, God bless. Make sure to subscribe, like, do all that stuff. But until next time, see you later.